Hello everyone, this is my video submission for the CS 491 Augmented and Virtual Reality course taken by Professor Andy. The project is called Eat It, and let's get to it. So here we have a placemat with a man sitting on top of his couch. It's a very cozy setting with jazz music playing in the background. Two platforms, one TV, which we will get to in just a minute. For our first object we have Coca Cola. With an animated bear, and it has the drink you need. Next we have a cereal box that is Fruit Loops with an animated parrot on top. It is idle right now. It has a poem on the left side, there are ingredients on the right side, and it says whatever fruits your loops. Next we have a crystal drink with a rotator base, two crystals, one tree, and a wolf. And next is a graduate level student requirement. It is called the Void Box. I designed it myself with a Death Star and a BGM of Darth Vader in the background. And there's Pickle Rick on the side. On this side we have an animated spaceship, and we have an alien on the top. We have a fighter jet. On the bottom we have the Shield of Doom. Last but not least we have the magazine. It has three animated objects, two buttons to move back and forth. This is a news event about the recent trade deals between China and the US. This is a boy that is deeply affected and deeply sad and affected by the news. This is a video straight from YouTube about the news. This is a graph and a picture of Trump. And this is about a famous footballer, Dele Alli, and other footballers trying to copy his celebration moves. This is the latest news on Dele Alli from YouTube. And this is a model of football to indicate that this is a football news. We can go back right to the front page, and that's it for the magazine. Now there are various interactions between two objects that we can notice, and this is Coca Cola, and when you place this object close to each other, we get a particle animation, as you guys can see here, and it stops as we move the objects away. So what happens when you place this and the Fruit Loops nearby? You get animation, particle animation by both the objects. Alright, let's get to the placemat. So what happens when you place a cereal box on one of the platforms? You get that it's a good option with the person cheering for it and an ad of the Fruit Loops on the TV with its nutritional information on the left. Similarly, when you place the Coca Cola on the other side, you get that it's not a great option with ingredients on the right and the person booing the Coca Cola off stage. What happens when you place both the objects on the platforms? You get a face-off, and you have to remove the objects off the stage. You get a clear view of the parrot and the bear. As you guys have seen, the parrot is on the Fruit Loop side and the bear is on the side of Coca Cola. There is junk food on one side and healthy fruits on the other, and these guys are just having a dance battle. It should be over any minute now, and when it's done, the person sits back on the couch and you guys can decide who is the winner. Thank you for watching the video.